Neva ma'am. Good evening, everyone. So I'll just quickly present my screen. The last time we had a look on the Gmail, calendar, and yeah. So hope my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So for today's session, we have first topic. What we have is Google Sites. Google Sites. A quick brief. Google Site is just exactly like your website, which we will be creating in our closed domain. It's a web builder thing. There are many ways through how you can go through a website, go through a Google site. From the 9 dots, from the waffle, you can have the site icon. I am right now not getting that icon over here, but not to worry. There is another way. We can go to Drive, and from Drive, click on New. From here, I can go to my sites. This is one way. Another way is I can go on the Chrome and write Google Sites and press enter. So it will take me to my Google Sites. I'll just click on the blank Google site. As again, just a liner for Google, you don't have to save, it's auto save everything. So as soon as you open and start working, everything, whichever application you have opened, it will be auto saving there. So the first step, always name the application, whatever you are making on. So let's take the topic, let's do it on SDG. As soon as you as you enter the topic, here is the first page, our title page. So you will get the title over here. Now let's first come to the right hand side of the page. As you can see, there are 3 tabs. Let's first come to the last tab, that is your themes. So as we have different themes for our slides, similarly, we have predefined themes for our sites also. Whichever theme we want, we can take that. Let's choose this theme. The color combination, the color scheme, we can change whatever color scheme we want. Let's take this. So here, my title is here. Now, if I want to add a logo, so I'll click on add logo. You should have predefined, pre-saved pictures. So I have a picture. Let's click on upload. So let's go. Okay, I've chosen the picture. As soon as you choose the picture, the logo will be, you can see the logo over here. In case if you want to change, you can delete again and upload again. That can be done. As soon as I do this, my logo will be seen over here on the extreme right hand side before the title. Okay. Now I need to give the title of the page. So SDG, or I can write full sustainable development goals. And here I can set the changes. Like if I want to give it a normal text, I want to make it a title, I want to give it a heading. So accordingly, the style has been predefined. Whatever you choose, accordingly, the changes will be made. From here, this formatting can be done. I can choose any font size. Again, whatever formatting options you want to use, you can use that. You can change the color of the text. That all can be done. If you want to underline this, again, it can be underlined. This is the first page. This is the the image we have said, if I want to give the image background image, I can select it and give the background image also. Let's try it and do it. Let me see what all images I have in my system. I do have this one, so let me put this one only. Okay, so this is the background image, the first image which I will be my visible on the website, the first page. Now, as we scroll on the right hand side, there are three tabs: insert, pages, and themes. Let's talk about insert tab first. This is the header which I have given to my website. If I want to add a text, which we want to add a text, so there are options, various options available over here, various styles, which type of style I want to opt for. This, as it signifies, I can have an image along with the text. I can have two images along with the description of the images below, or I can have plain images as well. So let me choose this one. As soon as I choose this content, you can see it is added to the page below. Here, I can add the image. I can select it. Again, there are various options. I can select it from my drive, select an image, or upload it. I can upload the image over here. Image can be cropped again, or if you want to copy, or if you want a link to be inserted below it. So here for the link, I just need to have a link, and let's copy this link and paste it over there. So as soon as I have inserted a link, that's a YouTube link. So here my image will be there. Below, the link of the YouTube video will be there. And here I can give it a heading as SDG. And here I can write the text about this. Just simply copy pasting everything. And again, I can make the formatting. I can do the formatting. Okay. This is how I can add the content. I have selected one content block, and as per that, I've made the changes. I've added the picture, I've added the text, and I've added a YouTube over here. One more method, I inserted a link over here. One more way how to insert a YouTube link is, again, on the same page, on the same tab, you will scroll down. You'll see many options are available. One of the option is YouTube. So here, either you can select the YouTube from here, any topic you can write, and it is coming from my channel. You can select the topic, or here, same way, you can insert a link and add a YouTube. Similar way, if I have a doc, I can add a doc links over here. I can add my slides over here. I can add my any calendar over here. All these things, I just need to click on this, and whatever thing I want to add, it can be added on my website. It all depends what all content you want to be displayed on the website. Now, just scroll up. I will place my cursor over here. I want a collapsible group. Collapsible group means, again, I'll use same thing. I'll write SDG over here, the topic, and I can copy paste the content. So now, as you see, because it was a collapsible group, the matter has collapsed, and only what you can see is the heading. But you can see the matter with this drop down arrow. So as soon as you click on this, the matter will be seen Otherwise, the heading alone heading can be seen over here. If you want, these are different tabs options over here. If you want to add table, table can be inserted over here. Images can be inserted. Buttons, various buttons can be inserted. Different buttons can be inserted over here. Now, at every step, if you want to have a look, this is your designing. If you want to have a look how my site is looking, there's a preview button over here. At every step, you can see you can preview your website. This is how your website will look. Accordingly, you can keep making the changes. This is how my website will look. I am not liking the white background over here. So either I can change the theme from here, or I'll go on this side. I'm having a color palette. I can change the color section over here. For every section, I just need to click. I'll have a color palette, whatever color theme, accordingly matching to the theme it will suggest, and we can opt for that. Now, next here I can insert my text box from here as well. Insert a text box. Again, a text box will be inserted. I can paste the matter over here. If I don't want, I can delete the matter. Images can be inserted from here as well. Images, again, it will ask you two options, select or upload. I can upload it from my system. Here, the image will be uploaded. I can embed the link. So if I have any URL, I can embed that link over here. Suppose, let me just copy the another link. So wherever your cursor is placed, there the link will be inserted. My cursor was placed over here, so the video is placed over here. Again, same thing. I can do the similar thing from my drive. My drive will get open, and whatever material I want to have exported from my drive, I can do it from my drive. If I don't want, I can simply delete this as well. Now, the next tab which I have is pages. Now, this is the main page of my website. I want to create various pages, various tabs on my website. So I'll click on page. As you can see, the first is always the home page, which is already made there. I have to click on the snowman. I can duplicate page. That means this is the first page, and I want to copy the same page. So here the name of the page will open. So here I can write here, like if it is I'm making on SDG, I can write various goals. Let's give it a name as goals. Now, as soon as I make this, you can see two tabs are appearing on the right hand side. As you will keep adding the number of tabs, number of pages, my tabs will keep on shifting towards the left hand side. The number of tabs you want to have, you can keep on adding. Now, this was my home page. I can click on the home page. I can click on goal over here. One thing, as you can see, the header image remains the same, whether it's a home page or it's a second page. So the image will remain the same. So here I'll click on goals. Now, I want some few subtopics inside the goals. So what will I do? I'll just go on the goals. You can see over here, add subpage. I can add subpage over here, STG1. Okay. Now, this is my sub tab is made with the name of SDG1. As soon as I write this, you can see the name also appears over here. To this, if I want to make changes, I can. I will make few changes. I can choose a different font. Now, Same thing. Now, if I want to design my this page, now page is made, but I want to insert either boxes, image, or the same way, same content block. I can choose it. I can choose from here. I want this type of content block to appear. I can add this. As soon as I add below these, below this, my this style will be added. Now here I can upload a page. Sorry, I can upload an image. So SDG1 stands for no poverty. So I'll select the image. My image will come over here. Now, if I want to write any text with this regarding this SDG1, I can write the text. Again, these are changes how you want your website to look. I want it as a normal text only. I can change the font, make it bold, and then change the color of my writing. Okay. Same here. I've chosen a theme. Now I want to change the color of the section. By default, it is suggesting me I can choose any style from here. One, two, or three styles are suggested. I can choose the style, any style from here. This is coming extra. I don't want this. I will simply select this and click on delete. While that section will be deleted. Now I can write, I want to add a text over here, text box. I can write over here. I can add a link over here and apply. By doing this, I have made this text as an hyperlink. So let's have a look. Let's preview my SDG1 page. This is how my page will look. This is the theme. This is the title of my next page. This is the picture, a text, and this is my hyperlink. As soon as I click on this, a video regarding this will get open. Just crossing this, going back to my website. I'll just close it. This is the preview look. If I have any other picture, I can add it over here. I can add the text. If I don't want this, I can delete it. I simply want one image, a little bit brief about it. I can make the aesthetic changes in my site. Now, the next, I'll go to pages again. I want to add another page to it. My next page will be added. My sub page, basically. So now here again, I can make the changes. Again, I will have to go on insert. Now I can choose again the style. I will not choose that. Wait. Let me choose only the images one. I've chosen this. I can drag and draw. I can do the formatting on my picture. I can do the cropping. I can increase the size. I can crop the picture if I want. Again, I can add my text over here. It's going too long. I can make the formatting. I can make the changes. Accordingly, I can choose the style. I don't want this. I add it, but I don't want this. I can delete this. If I want a reference, any slide or sheets, any doc, if I want a chart also, I can include my chart below this. If I have prepared any presentation related with this, I can add my slides over here. I Let me see if I have any slides in my drive. I um, So here my slides will be, I'm checking it will check the permission and I can add my slides over here. So as soon we can have a preview. This is how this page will look. And here, from here, it is having only one page. So if it would be having many pages, slides will be available. You can you can go to the slides, different slides, number, and you can see that. This is how I can add my slides or docs, charts, YouTube, video, link. I can add all these things over here. Now, I have made this line. Now, I can share it with my colleague, or how can I use it in my classroom? We all have a like school website or a company website. We all have that. Now, if I say the usage, in the classroom, I can create my class website where I can include all the details about the class. I can add the resources if I want to add for my class. I can add them over here. I can appoint 2, 3 kids, those who will manage the sites. Again, the sharing option from here plus sign. I can give the rights, how and who will be able to access my sites. I can give the access anyone with the link, or I have to restrict it or make it public. Now, from here, I have given the access, I've made the changes. Now, the thing which I need to do is I need to publish my site. Publishing means it will be now web address. What do you want suppose I write SDG. Okay. Okay. Suppose this is the name which I have given to my site. I can click on publish. My site will be published. See, you will get the message that your site has been published successfully. Now, I have done these changes. I require few changes. So I can unpublish my site anytime. I can just click on unpublish and I can unpublish my site. Got it? Your site will not be published. I completely get it. I can do that changes. Now, if I want to see the version history, what was the first step I took? What was the first changes I made in my site? I can click on the version history and I can see what all changes I have made. How was it when I started? And then what it when I made all the changes. Along with the time, it will be displayed. Now, settings, again, different settings. How do I want my navigation to come on. If you want to come on top, side, mode, sorry. The brand images, whenever I'll click, if I want to replace this, I can go from here and replace. Similarly, I can go over here also and replace my image. Now, once I publish my site, then only I will be able to get the link. I can copy the link and share it with anyone. So whoever is having the link will be able to access, because I have, if you remember, I have given the permission. I have made the changes. I have given the settings that way, that only those who are having the link will only be able to see my site. So for that purpose, I have to give link to a person whoever wants to see my site. This is all. I just unpublishing my site. Let's see. Same. Like I've created one site, a quick sample here. I've given the name. Let's have a look on the preview. This is the way you can create a site. You can give it a color theme. You can give home tab is first tab. You can give products. This is my first page. I can have a drop down. I can have an image over here. If I want to go to the products, I'll go to the products. I'll click click on that particular thing. I can give image to header. From the header image, I can give image to my second tab. I can add the picture. I can add the text. Similarly here, I've created a hyperlink. As soon as I click, it will take me to the whatever link I have selected. I've added over here. I want to go to the next. I'll just go and create and have a look here. I have added a video link. As many video links I want to attach, I can keep on attaching and number. It all depends how you are, how and what all content you want to display on your site. Let's see what all is there in the site. I think I have covered all. Okay, before creating a Google site, you need to identify for what you are creating for. Like we all have PBL projects. We can ask students to take a project and create a website regarding that particular project and circulate, share it with the friends, their colleagues, or with teachers, whoever are included in that. We can collaborate easily on the project. So let's have a look on the checklist. We have seen how to create and collaborate on a Google site, how to change the background image, header type, and theme. We can change the site layout. We can add the subpages. We can add images, text, embedded resources from our drive. We can preview and how to publish it. Okay. The resource material will be available to you in the Google Classroom. Let's quickly go to our understanding. I hope is it okay? Any questions, any queries before we start with the MCQ? Hema ma'am? Okay. 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 So let's start with the questionnaire. Select which one of the following is not a customization feature in Google site. Invite others to collaborate, creating and nesting pages in your site, unique theme options for each page, upload images, text, and resources. What do you think we cannot do? What is not a
We
customization?
can see answers as A.
A, okay.
Most of the participants are marking A.
A, okay. Unique theme option for each page. I just believe that this is not, we cannot do a customization in Google site. Theme will be common on all the pages. What you can change on each page is the header image. Image can be different on each page, but the theme will be common on all the pages. Next question. What are some features available in Google Sites new to help customize the site? Select all which are applicable. Embedded YouTube videos, widgets, images upload, or page navigation. What all we can do that?
Many participants have answered all. Some are answering A, C, D, A, B, C. So mixed
Mixed one.
reactions are there.
Okay, so we can embed videos, we can upload images, we can navigate between the different pages, but we cannot have widgets. Okay, in Google Sites, the dash option allows the user to see the content of the site without making it visible to the audience. Preview, publish, settings, or pages.
A.
A,
Everybody is
preview.
answering A.
You can see the content. Yeah, preview. So every time we make changes, we can have a preview of a site and then we can publish it. Or if we want changes, we can make changes after preview. We can do that. Okay. Which of the following is not an option in vertical ellipse? 3 dots in a vertical alignment. More options for a page, which is not an option. Duplicate page, make home page, hide from navigation, or create a subpage using URL, which is not an option. We just saw it when we were creating a page. Let's
C. Participants are marking C, D.
using URL, we cannot create a page. We have to give the content, the topic, the heading. Next, what is the key advantage of using Google Sites for educational purposes? Adding advanced coding skills are required, difficult to share with students and colleagues, easy to create and update online portfolios, primarily designed for commercial websites. What are we basically using for educational purpose? What is the key advantage?
C. Everybody is marking C.
Yeah, it's easy to create, update online. We don't need to have any coding skills for this. We don't require any coding. It's just simply click and play and make our website. Okay, next, what is the primary purpose of the insert menu in Google Sites? Insert menu, we just saw on the right hand side, we have 3 tabs. First one was insert. First option, to change the website's background color, to add elements like text box, images, and videos, to delete pages from the website, or to save the website as a PDF. What is the primary purpose of the insert menu? I hope this is quite easy.
B.
B, to add elements like text boxes, images, and videos. Okay. Which of the following scenarios best demonstrate the effective use of Google Sites for professional development? Creating a personal website to showcase teaching credentials, building a collaborative site for teachers to share lesson plans and resources, using it as a digital portfolio to store students' work samples, or designing an interactive game for students to play during class. For professional development, the best scenario?
So there are mixed answers. A, B,
Okay.
C, only A, only B, B,
Okay.
C.
Okay. For a professional, for an best scenario over here is we can make a collaborative site for teachers to share lesson plans and resources. What happens when you add a Google Drive folder to your Google site? The folder contents are automatically updated on the site when files are added or removed. The folder contents are static and do not change unless manually updated. Only the folder name appears without showing the files, or the folder is converted into a downloadable zip format. I'm adding
A.
a whole drive, Google Drive folder. What will happen if I added a drive folder over here?
So everybody is answering A.
A, yes. Automatically updated. That's the best feature for Google. Anywhere we make any changes, automatically all the changes are updated everywhere it is linked to. You can change the look and style of your website with the features of Google Sites. Select all the ways you can personalize your site. Select all that apply. I can change the font, change how my section looks, change the color of the menu, move the navigation menu to the top or left, import fonts from your computer. How
All.
can you change the look and style of a website?
So
All?
somebody is answering A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, or A, B, C.
Okay.
Mix.
We cannot import fonts. Rest all we can apply. We can change the font. We can have a sections. We can change the color of the menu. We can change the color theme. We can navigate up and down our website. Next one. Google Sites can be used by teachers for sharing class information and students and parents with students and parents. Similarly, students can use Google Sites to showcase their work or create a blog. Select all the ways you can create a site. Create a new site from a template. Duplicate an existing site from the more menu. Right-click on an existing site and duplicate, or create a new site from a blank site. How can you create a site?
So many people are answering A, B, C, A, B, D.
A, B, D. We can create a site from a template that is there, new template, duplicate, or create a new site from a blank site. Topic for today is your YouTube. We all have used YouTube, but how can we create our own YouTube, our own playlist? So we'll just quickly brief on that. So for that, I need to go on my again waffle. I can click, I have YouTube icon over here. I can click on YouTube. It will take me to my YouTube channel. This is my page for YouTube. From here, as you can see, a create option is coming. I can click on create. Yeah, basically, in YouTube, we create a playlist. We create our own closed area. If I want my playlist, my closed things to be attached over here, I can create that. Or if I want to make it private, I can restrict it to myself. If I wanted to make it public, I can make the changes. If I want that only the person with whom I have shared the link is accessible to my videos, to my things, to my playlist, I can all do that. I'll just quickly show you how to do that. Now, once I open that, I am on my channel over here. Now, how to create my playlist, how to upload my videos over here. On the right hand side, I can see a create button. I'll click on over here. First, let me create a playlist. Create a new playlist. Here, I'll give a name to my playlist. The description. If I want to give, I can give. I can make who all can view this playlist. I can make the changes. I want to make it private. I can make the changes and I can click on create. As soon as I do this, my playlist is created over here. you can see on the left hand side, you can see the name of my playlist. From here, I can keep adding my videos. Okay. Now here, select files. I have videos over here. I'll select and I'll upload it on for my this playlist. As many videos I want to add it, I can add. Okay. Automatically, it will give a description as per, if you have named your video, as per accordingly, it will take the title on its own. If I want to give the description, I can give the description. If I don't want, I can skip it. It's my choice. As you can see on the right hand side, my video is getting processed. That means it is getting uploaded. I can, by the time I can give the description. I've given the description over here. You can see my video is uploaded by now. It depends. The uploading always anyway depends upon how long is your video. It's just for 13 seconds, it's uploaded. Now, here, before clicking, I clicked on next, but I missed something, one detail. You need to check whether this video is for kids. You have a kids content or you don't have a kids content. Yes, even kids can view that. And I can click on next. Now, if I want to add anything, if I want to add any title, subtitle to my video, I can do that. Any checks? No, I don't want. I just simply want to click on next. I'll click on next. Okay, now visibility. Do I want it to be private? That means only a selective people can have a look to this video. Unlisted means not everyone, only those people who have the link of this my playlist will be able to view this playlist. That means the videos which are available in my playlist. That's unlisted. Public, anyone can watch this playlist. So I don't want that. I click on unlisted. With whomever I want to share the link, I will share and they have the access to my videos. I'll choose the option and click on save. As soon as I do this, I get this page. I have the link. They generated the link and gave it to me. I can share the link on my WhatsApp, Facebook, or through email, whichever manner I want. Or simply, if I want to copy the link, I can do that and paste it separately. Right now, if I don't want, I'll click on close. Now, as you can see, as I have added, you will see that under this playlist, only one video is added, which is unlisted, made for kids, all the details and the date when it was uploaded. Here you can see views and comments. If it would have been public, as soon whatever number of people will be viewing it or commenting it, I will be getting all that updates over here. Likes, dislikes, same way like we have on other YouTube channels. Now, if I want same, yeah, I can open this. Now, if I want to add video again, suppose I want to add one more video over here. I'll go to create. I'll click on video upload, select the particular file, any other file if I want. Let me see if I have anything else. I have this. Same way, I will be uploading my file, uploading my video. Same process I have to repeat. If any description, if I want, I can give this. It is for kids. Yes. I can keep on making the change. Yeah. Again, unlisted. My video is uploaded and I can close it. It was taking time. It was not fully uploaded, so it's taking time. So my video will get uploaded because it was taking time. Now, if I want to make any changes, detailed changes, I can click over here and I can make changes over here. If now I have created a list, I don't want this again because I have made it unlisted. I forgot to copy the link generated over there. I want to create a link now, get a shareable link now. I will click on these three dots, click on this shareable link, and I can share this link. I can copy this. I can go to my mail and I can add, suppose, let me add Hema ma'am and I can paste the link and just send it to her. So now in her mail, she'll be getting the link and she is having access to this video. So she, anytime she wants to see, she can go open the link and see this video. I can go back to my channel. The back. Yeah. So here I have created so many playlists. As you can see, I have created playlist. I have all these. Which will be, these are all videos. The playlist. These are all playlists which are visible in my account. I can add. I can see them. I can have a look. Say this is. It will be displaying over. I think the video didn't got added over here because I just quickly closed it. So the number of videos you upload, you will keep getting the number over here. This particular playlist is having 2 videos. This is having 7 videos over here. So this way, this is having 5 videos. So this way, you can keep on adding, editing your videos. Now, if I want, this is how about I'll create a video, creating a playlist, uploading videos. Now, if I want to subscribe any other channel, I just have to go to my channel over here. Okay. This is my channel. Here, I can type whatever I want to, like if I want to see GEG Gurgaon group, as soon as I click, I'll get the options and I can click on this and I can have a subscribe button, unsubscribe button. So I have already subscribed to this. I've toggled it now just to show it. I will subscribe it again. So now subscription means whenever they will post anything, I will get a pop-up that they have a new video or a new content is posted. So I will get a notification in my channel. I will get a notification through which I'll get to know that something new is posted. Okay, now let's go back. I think I'm able to cover all the topics. Let's have a look. Okay. Search and find content creators and videos using YouTube. I just searched it. I searched for the channel, so I can see that way. I can filter your search playlist and channel duration. Okay. So I'll just go to, from here, I can choose the filter. How filtration means on what basis I want to filter. On description, I can give. On title, if I have anything, I can type the title, me, and apply. So what all suppose I have a long playlist and I'm not able to find out what content I'm looking for, but I remember the name. So I'll quickly go to the filter. I'll type the name, whatever I'm looking for, and it will give me the options. With me name, I have only these two playlists, so it has sorted out and given it to me. So whichever I want, I can select it. I can save or bookmark a video, watch option later. That means I can save it. I can download it and save it in my playlist. Share videos with others through playlist, forms and slides. Playlist, I've told you how to share a playlist. I can subscribe to the another's channel, save another user's playlist. How? They will be sharing the link and then I can save it. Access playlist and subscription in the guide. Create, edit, and share a playlist. I've just done it. Add a videos to a playlist. Done. Edit playlist settings, description, and value and visibility. I can change through the filter. I've just shown it to you. Share playlists with students through mail, link, and Blogger. Whenever I'm updating, I'm uploading my playlist, I can share it with anyone I want through the link. This all will be available in your resources in your Google Classroom. Let's quickly have a questionnaire. First one, the best way to share multiple videos on a topic with your student is to send them the channel list to search for videos that they like, or create a playlist to help focus on just the required content, embed it in Google Slides, or there is no way we can make students have safe list of videos to watch. What is the best way to share multiple videos?
Mixed reactions, A or B.
A or B? Okay. B. Create a playlist to help focus on just the required content. If whenever we are sharing something with our students, we have to be really focused on, so that the correct thing is shared with the students. Mrs. Gracia has divided her class into groups to work on different geography projects. Each group will present their project to the class using Google Slides. What are some benefits of using slides in group projects? Now, this is a slide question we did long before. Students can browse and copy slides created by any student at any other school. Students can edit speaker notes to help improve each other's presentation delivery. Students can comment on slides to provide feedback for their group members. Students can collaborate on the slide desk at the same time. Students can import videos from YouTube or a Drive folder they have shared with each other without additional software. What are the benefits of using slides in a group project?
B, C, D, E, only D.
Okay. Third question, which of the following are benefits of a playlist? All teachers to organize videos by topic. Allow teachers to get updates from current producers. Allows teachers to make notes about each video. Allows teachers to share a group of videos at once. What do you think benefit of a playlist? Right now, I just showed you one video. Here, if a teacher wants to make like we share YouTube links as extra educational content. So instead of passing links in our GC, we can create a playlist, and that playlist link can be shared with the students. So based on that, what do you think will be the correct answer?
S, A, D, C, A, C, D.
Next one. So when we are creating a playlist and when we are sharing with the students, we can any teacher can organize topic wise. We can create a topic playlist topic wise, and then we can organize our topic wise videos. Teachers to make notes about each video. They want to make a note and pass on to students, and they can share a group of videos at once by sharing a link. Which of the following statement about restricted mode are accurate? Restricted mode prevents head injuries. Restricted mode is 100% effective and accurate. Restricted mode filters out inappropriate content. Restricted mode is connected to Google Safe Search.
C,
C. Okay.
B, C, D.
C and D. Restricted mode filters out inappropriate content and is connected to Google Safe Search. Okay. Next topic, what we have today is Google Chrome. What we all access. Let me just quickly move to my new tab. Okay. Chrome, again, it's a browser, open search platform where I can search whatever I want to. If I want to have search, I can search on Google Chrome. This is the icon for Google Chrome. Advantages, what are the advantages of your Google Chrome? The browser itself is an interface designed for security, protects from malware. Data is stored in the cloud. We can have fast access, simplicity, free to use. We don't have to like pay anything. Everything is on the web, no application required to be installed. We all know, we all are familiar with Google Chrome. And we all know how to do the searching, what all we can search everything. This bar where the search is, this is called Omni bar. Whatever I want to search, I can search my any topic over here. If I want a brief description about anything, I can just have to type the topic and it will give me the relevant answer. Suppose I want to search upon SDG. So it will give you the links. I can select and I can have on the right hand side, it is giving me in a small window, it is giving me a quick text over here. I can click on this. If I want to go to Wikipedia, I can go and the Wikipedia, the whole will be open on SDG. I have the option of searching by voice. I'm using it through my keyboard. I have the option of searching through voice. I can speak and get my content. I can search by image. I can upload the image and I can ask my browser to search related with that image. I can do that. Okay. Okay. Suppose I have opened some link and I don't want to see it right now. I want to save it for the later use. I can bookmark that link by clicking on this star. Okay. So suppose I want to open this page and I want to save it for later use. I want to refer here later sometime. So instead of going through here, instead of keeping it open, I can bookmark it. So this is I can click on the star. I can add, this link can be added as a bookmark. So here by default, it will take the name. But if I want to give another name, I can give it another name. And where it will be saved, I can opt for the folder as well. By default, it will take it and I will click on done. So it will go and add it in my bookmarks. So I'll just show I have many bookmarks. So as you can see, it went in the last, so it is added in my bookmark over here. So if I want to access anything from here, so I can just simply click over here and open my bookmark. So just say, suppose I want to use this. I'll just click on this bookmark, and on the on that particular tab, that link will get open. This is how I can bookmark a site. Bookmark I want. I can also add extensions to my this Chrome. So for extensions, I have too many extensions. Like this is the extension icon. I can click over here. I already have few extensions added over here. So how will I add the extension? How can I add the more extensions? I'll just go to the Google Marketplace, or I can add right over here. Suppose I want as attendance tracker as a extension. I can write over here. I can simply write over here. It will take me to the Chrome Web Store. It is taking me to the Chrome Web Store, and the name of the what I want the extension, the name of the app I want as an extension. I can type that. It will directly take me to the web store, and here you can see that add to Chrome. As soon as I click here, add to Chrome, a message will pop up that I can add it as an extension. I'll click over here. It is added in my extension. I'll just refresh it. Yeah, I can see. If I want to pin it, that means always I want this to be on top. I can pin it. If I want to remove, I can click on remove and remove it from my extensions over here. Let's go back and check. Okay, one more thing. Searching, sign in for creating. Anyway, whenever we sign into the Chrome, it syncs into our Gmail. Creating, managing, searching. Yes, we have done. Creating in a cognito mode. Okay, so now whatever we open, it's open in Chrome. Now, if I want to open my something in the incognito mode, here on normal Google Chrome, whenever I'm opening, I have a history. So whenever I click on these three dots, I have a history. I can see whatever I have browsed till now. It is a tracker, my history tracker over here. Till now, whatever, what was during the day I have browsed. This is all my history. So if I want to clear my home history, I can go over here and click on Chrome history. It will clear browsing data, delete browsing data. It will clear that. Or if I want to specifically delete something, I just have to select it and remove. So that particular thing will be removed. This is how I can check my history. Okay. In incognito mode, it is a very private mode. Sorry. New cognito window. Here, whatever I have a safe, secure over here. Whatever I'll browse, whatever I'll do here, I'm in a secure window. I can simultaneously use two Chrome tabs to open, one in a normal tab and here one in an incognito tab. So incognito, I can use it simultaneously. Both windows can be used. Let's switch over. Okay. Use of Omnibox. We've just told that bar is Omnibox, how we can do all the searches over here. Browsing and searching for Chrome Web Store for classroom content, whatever extension, like I have added Kami, I've added attendance tracker. Search for apps that run online or offline to integrate with Google Drive. Whatever apps I can search it from Google Web Store. Installing extensions and uninstalling extensions. bookmarks. We have just told incognito. So the best thing about incognito is whenever you're working in a normal Chrome, all your history, all your browsing data is saved. Whenever we work in incognito window, everything will be same. The only difference is history, your browsing data will not be saved. Okay, now quick check.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, before proceeding, we had some queries in the chat box.
Okay.
Many people are asking about repeat bookmark.
Okay.
Can you show them again
Okay.
about the
Okay.
bookmark?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So suppose I have opened a new tab over here. I want to search something on, suppose I want to search on, I want to bookmark my school website, my school. Uh, so I am clicking over here, my website. Okay. So I'll open my website and I don't have to go to that again and again and and reopen again and again. What I'll do, I'll bookmark this and done. Now, next time I want to open it, I have closed this tab. I'll go to my bookmark. I've added that in my bookmark. So if I want to open that later, I can click on the bookmark and that will get open. I want to click over here and directly that site will get open. I can open as many bookmarks I want. I am teaching something. I want to visit this website. I'm making a project with my kids. So I have bookmarked this website. I'll click on this and this website will get open. Sometimes what happens, like if we are searching something, we have too many options for us, but we like text of a particular website. We want to copy, we want to review that later, or we want to save it for later use. We what we can do is we cannot leave that tab open, or by chance if somebody closes it, then better safe way to do is bookmark that. Bookmark it. Bookmarking will save it for the later use. I can anytime use that, open that anytime whenever I want. I hope I'm able to explain that.
There is one more. If there are restrictions from organization, can still add extensions?
Okay.
No.
No. For if there is a restriction, we cannot do it. If there is a restriction, we cannot do it. Whatever is available in a Chrome store, like I have let me uninstall this and screen castify. If I want to castify my screen, screen recorder, if I want, I can go over here, or I can, one second, I can directly go to the Chrome Web Store also. I'll try Chrome Web Store extensions, and it will take me to the Chrome Web Store. So here various options, various things are available. Suppose I don't want I want an ad blocker. I don't want the ads to keep on coming. These are the extensions. If I want to see here what all extensions are available, I want to have a look to the mail tracker. I can go to the web store. I can explore what I am looking for, and education tools, extension for education. So these all are available for education. Suppose more. I have included this in my Google form. Edpuzzle. I want an extension for Edpuzzle. So I'll just click on that and I'll click add to Chrome. add as an extension, and it will take some time to get added in your extensions. This is the icon for your extension. When you click over here, you will see that your extension is added. It's getting uploaded, so I clicked on that. It is getting open. I have to log in over here. So that's how I can do that. I can add as a bookmark again, whatever is my requirement. I can keep on adding my extensions. Whatever is my requirement. I want Grammarly. I want to be my mail or my text to be checked. I have installed Grammarly as an extension over here. I have a panel which I want to castify with my this device. So I've downloaded their extension. So as many extensions which I want, I can keep on downloading. Is that my list will keep on increasing. And later on, if I feel I do not want this anymore, I can anyway click on 3 dots and remove from Chrome. So remove. So from this, my extension list, that particular extension will be removed. I will not be having that extension anymore in my extensions list. Okay. Okay. Is that all, Hema ma'am? Can I go to the questions?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So you have bookmarked a large number of web pages in Chrome while researching class topics. Unfortunately, you have bookmarked so many that you are struggling to find relevant content quickly. What can you do within the bookmark manager of Chrome to simplify and organize your list of bookmarks? Rename and organize bookmarks into themed folders so that they are labeled clearly. Delete bookmarks that are not urgently required and search them again when they are needed. Create a doc that lists all favorite websites with links. Use the search function in the Chrome Bookmark Manager.
So most of the participants are answering A, but some have answered AD, AB.
AD. We just saw that here we can have folders for the bookmarks, where in particular folder I can keep storing my labeled bookmarks. And using the search function, I can, here in the search function, whenever I'll click over here, search for all the bookmarks. In this, if you remember, search for bookmarks, I can type the name. Like here, I can type the name and I can search for my bookmark over here. Okay. Mr. Young needs to contact student's parents to congratulate the student on improved progress. However, their first language is Arabic and they are not fully fluent in English. What is the quickest action he could do to produce an effective email on his own? Post the message text on Google Group to see if someone can help translate it to Arabic. Use Gmail to send a message around the school to search for a student who can help translate the email to German. Use Google search to find someone local offering Arabic translation services.
Everyone is answering D.
Everyone is answering?
D.
D. Okay. Yeah. Search the Chrome Web Store for Google Translate extension for Chrome. Use the extension to provide an Arabic version within the email, within the text. Yeah. So extension depends upon your requirement. What do you require for your class, for your content? You can search on the web store and you can download it and